This video from Shop Stuff will demonstrate briefly the three main differences between the Casio SE-S3000 and the SE-S2000. In May of 2013, Casio released the Casio SE-S3000 cash register, which supersedes and replaces the SE-S2000. The three main differences are, on the side of the SE-S3000 you have an SD card slot, which means that the programming data can be saved to the SD card, meaning that if you have multiple tills you can then use that SD card to reprogram your other tills. It also means that obviously if your main till, your only till, gets damaged or stolen, you've got a copy of your program on an SD card, so all you need to do is replace the machine and then you can send the data down to it. The second difference is that on the SE-S2000 you had a 3000 product line memory, as on the SE-S3000, the new machine, you have 7000 product lines. The biggest difference though is the displays. So on the machine, the operator and customer display on the SE-S3000 are a lot better visually than the displays on the 2000. So if we look at the operator display here, we can see it's fairly small. It is a bright display, but it's only one line, so you can only see one line of the sale at a time. Whereas on the SE-S3000, it's a much bigger display, so you can see multiple lines. The display is also adjustable, so you can tilt it all the way up to here, or you can have it resting back in the original position like the SE-S2000, or at any point between these 2 points. An advantage of the big display is that you can use the arrow down button on the machine to edit an order. So by pressing the cursor down button you go into a review or void order screen. You can then, if the customer's changed their mind or you've made a mistake, you can then remove lines from the sale. It was a little bit more complicated and long-winded to do it on the SE-S2000, so that's a major improvement. If we just drop down the customer display and have a look at the if we drop down the operator display and have a look at the customer rear display, the first thing you'll notice is that it's a lot higher than the one on the SE-S2000. The SE-S2000 one would adjust all the way around, but that was the limit of how high it could go. This one, again, it's tilt adjustable, so you can turn it round. You can also have it set back down in the original position. If we twizzle it around again, the best feature is that it's LCD alphanumeric, so you can see that when you enter an item onto the sale, it appears not only on the operator display but also on the customer display, so they can see the item they've bought. Then when we subtotal that sale, £5, we see the subtotals on the display, and there's no confusion about what it is because it says subtotal. If we cash that sale up with £10, the change is displayed on the receipt, on the operator display, and also on the customer rear display. For more information on both cash registers, you can view the Shop Stuff website. We have till rolls and sundry parts available for both machines. All this information can be found at shopstuff.co.uk, where we have a lot more detailed sales demonstration videos on the brand new SE-S3000. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video.